bought and tested 3 of Amazon's most popular knife sets by Astor Cook. We're gonna walk through each one of them. They are very similar, but there are some definitely big differences. That is gonna make a difference in your buying decision, which will be the best for you. I wouldn't even buy any of them until you know the 3 things I'm gonna tell you about each of these sets. We got a 21 piece, a 14 piece, and then a 15 piece. Don't worry, the difference is not the number of pieces of knives. These come in very nice giftable boxes. So we're gonna cut some stuff up. I'm gonna show you what comes in each set. This is gonna be the 21 set right over here. This guy right over here is the 14 set. There are some different options as well on this one for colors and size. And then this guy right over here is gonna be our 15 set as well. And then we're gonna cut up some stuff down here. We have some pepperoni, some carrots, some potatoes. We're gonna kind of dice so you could kind of see how these knives work and operate. All right, so we'll start with the 21 first and work our way over. So this is the 21 piece right over here. All these, I'm gonna go through one at a time and then we'll go through all of them together. Pros, cons, all that stuff. Under here, you'll see there's little holes and slots. That is if you put a knife away wet, the water will drain through. I do not recommend that. My dad is a chef. I've worked in a lot of restaurants. I've been around a lot of knives. We always dry the knives. All of these are dishwasher safe as well. We also don't dishwash the knives, but you can if you want to. No big deal there. So let's go through this one right over, the 21 piece. You got your chef's knife, 8 inches right here. You got this black coating right over here. So these are stainless steel. These handles right over here are plastic, or it has that plastic feel. It's not wood. The block itself is wood, so just know that, but super comfortable when cutting, and these are rust resistant. So that's kind of why it has some of that black coating on there. Our next knife right over here is going to be our Astercook knife. It's 7 inches right over here, and each knife is labeled for you, so you don't ever have to worry about if someone's like, can you get me this knife? We got a slicing knife, 8 inches over here. I'm gonna run through these quick. We got a bread knife right over here, 8 inches. This one is a cheese knife right over here. So this is the only set that has a cheese knife, if that's your thing. This is gonna be our boning knife right over here. These knives are not meant to cut through bones. They're meant to cut through, you know, meats, produce, harder stuff like pepperoni. This is a 3.5 inch paring knife. The cool part about this one too, it has the built-in sharpener, which I'll show you in a second. Then we got this paring knife. We got this one over here. This is going to be our utility knife as well. And then we have 2 different shears here. So we have a regular pair of scissors here, really well made, not just kind of like, we've had ones before that are just pieced together and it's super annoying because they always fall out. And then we got these poultry shears. These things are sharp and awesome. And if you're cutting through chickens, you need this. So for this, you're just gonna push that down right over there, open that up, and you're good to go. In terms of the steak knives over here, we're gonna get 8 different steak knives, and they are serrated down over there. So, and then this knife sharpener right on the back, right over here. Literally just take your knife, and then you're gonna go just like that, and you're sharpened and ready to go. This is a great set. Let's move on to the next one, and then we're gonna cut all this stuff down here, and we're gonna use the chef knives head to head. We'll run through this one right over here. This is gonna be our 15 piece, same deal, bottom works the same. This is a wood block right over here. We're gonna get steak knives over here. So these are gonna be 4.5 inches. We're gonna get 2, 4, 6 of these knives right over here. We get a pair of scissors right over here. We do have the back over here with the knife sharpener. And then in terms of knives, we got some different options here. So we have the 8 inch slicing knife. That one also has that. This one right here is gonna be an 8 inch chef knife. And these knives have the coating, the anti-rust as well. We got this knife right over here, the 7 inches. And then there's smaller knives right over here. We got our paring knife, a utility knife, 5 inches. And then we got this guy that's a little bigger, our bread knife right over here coming in at 8 inches. Nice to have a serrated bread knife as well. I think this, so that's this one. And let's go over the 14 piece guy right over here. Then we're gonna cut some stuff, go head to head and kind of go through here. So this one right over here, we got 2, 4, 6 steak knives right over here. That's what they look like. They are 4.5 inches each. We got a utility knife that's 5 inches. the bread knife. All the knives are the same sizes when it comes to that. The 8-inch chef knife right over there. Of course, we got scissors over here. Nice little colors here if you're kind of looking for like a little bit more decor for your kitchen. You do have some different color options as well. This is gonna be our slicing knife at 8 inches. And then right over here is our paring knife. This one also has the drainage on the bottom over here. All these knives are dishwasher safe. So let's go chef knives head to head over here. We're gonna take, yeah, let's do chef knives. All right, so this is gonna be from this one right over here. We got this one over here. This one, so we'll get into that in a second. And then we have this one. You can't really go wrong with either of these sets. They work very different. So this is from the 14-piece one right over here. This guy is from the 15-piece, and this one is from the 21. You'll notice these are a little different. The one from the 21 is a little skinnier. The blades are a little different. You could tell right over there, but they do a good job. So let's go 21. Really easy to slice that through. When you have a carrot right over here, easy. Usually when you have a dull knife, your carrots are going everywhere. And the real test for me is this pepperoni right over here, cuts right through it. Usually you're like trying to like just get in there and it's super annoying, but this super easy to slice. Just like that, really easy. Let's go with the 15. This one slices nice as well. Then you have this, very easy. And then for potato, same thing, nice sharpness. Now this one right over here, the grip is a little different on this one right over here. I would say this one is a little bit of a stronger grip, a harder plastic on the 14, rather than this is not like, it's just a different plastic. This is just a harder one. Like you can kind of tell when I do that. But good on the sharpness as well, as you can see that right over here. Just these knives just work really, really nicely. They cut stuff up great. So now in terms of comparison, what would be the best set for you? I would think if you are going, it's gonna come down to a couple things. I would say the 21 piece, if you are a kitchen person, you want all the bells, all the whistles, all the pieces, the cheese knife, the shears, the sharpener, 8 steak knives, the whole shebang. I think the 21 piece set is going to be for you. All the knives are very, very similar. With this set right over here, you do get the cheese knife, you get the extra pair of shears, which are actually really, really nice and super sharp. And you get the most steak knives on this one, and this is solid wood. I think the 15-piece set right over here is gonna be for you. Maybe don't have as much counter space. Like this definitely takes up some counter space, but if you have a nice counter and you don't mind the space and you kind of want the whole thing, I think this is gonna be the one for you. This is kind of the best of both worlds. You get 15 pieces. You don't get the shears or whatever, but you still get 15 pieces, gets the job done for everything else. Now this 14-piece set, I think this set is gonna be for you if you're kind of looking, I don't know, you want your kitchen to look a little nicer. Like this is kind of a little bit more decorative in my opinion. I think this does come in a different color as well. So this is kind of just like, you know what? I kind of want to up my kitchen game. It just depends on the style. Like for this works for us because our kitchen is basically black and white. So this doesn't really matter to us at all. But you can't go wrong with either one of these. I would say if you are looking to, for all the bells and whistles, I would say the 21-piece set is for you. You can't really go wrong with that one just because you get everything you could possibly need. That solid block, all of them have the knife sharpeners. If you're kind of in the middle, don't really want everything, I would get the 15-piece or the 14-piece. Can't go wrong with either one of them. With those two comparing head to head, it's really just the style, so whatever color you like. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you find the right knife set for you.